Welcome to Mirror Tea and Sake House, where we explore the world of tea and wellness. Today, we're diving into the science behind one of the most popular superfoods on the planet, turmeric. Turmeric, also known as curcuma longa, is a spice that has been used for centuries in traditional Indian and Chinese medicine. It's known for its vibrant yellow color, which comes from curcumin, the main active compound in turmeric. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its potential health benefits, and research has shown that it possesses powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, such as heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of these diseases. Turmeric is not only beneficial for its anti-inflammatory properties, but it's also a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. Curcumin's antioxidant properties can help boost the immune system, protect against cognitive decline, and even slow down the aging process. Turmeric has also been shown to have positive effects on mental health. Studies have found that curcumin can help improve mood, reduce anxiety, and even alleviate symptoms of depression. Curcumin's ability to reduce inflammation and promote brain health may be behind its positive effects on mental well-being. Turmeric is a truly remarkable spice with a wide range of potential health benefits. It's no wonder it's become one of the most popular superfoods in the world. If you're looking to add turmeric to your diet, there are many ways to enjoy it. You can add it to your smoothies, sprinkle it on your food, or even make your own golden milk at home. And remember, consistency is key. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine can lead to long-lasting health benefits. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of turmeric. We hope you've learned something new about this incredible superfood. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative and inspiring videos on tea and wellness. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative and inspiring videos on tea and wellness. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who could benefit from learning more about the science behind turmeric's superfood powers.